I am so excited to share this with you. This is the highest powered professional grade device that I've ever used. The Airistorm 30K cavitation machine. It helps to firm and tighten the facial skin as well as melt fat and tighten laxity on the arms, abs, and legs. In today's video, I'll walk you through what this device and the technology behind it. I'm also going to show you quickly how to use it safely and effectively, the cons of this device, and who it's best for. And of course, I'll share my personal experience and results after using it. Let's get started. So what is the Airistorm? The Airistorm is a comprehensive 4-in-1 beauty system designed for both facial and body treatments. It combines several advanced technology. The first one is the 30K Pro cavitation. It uses 30 kilohertz of ultrasonic waves to break down fat cells. This is not to be used on the face. This is to be used on the body. It also has a gravitational and radiofrequency combination that is going to not only help with melting the fat, but it's also going to help the elasticity of your skin. So if you're getting that really crepey skin, radiofrequency helps you tighten it, okay, on the body. So the RF mode is for the body. It is not to be used on the face. Another mode is radiofrequency and suction. It pairs 5 megahertz of radiofrequency with vacuum therapy for skin tightening. And this, my friends, is 40 watts of power. Very, very powerful device. And I think the highest watts was the other gravitational machine, and I think that was at 20 watts. We'll talk a little bit more about that in just a moment. Also for the face, it has EMS and EL, which combines electric muscle stimulation. You all know I love that for contouring and lifting the face. It's going to work at the muscle level of the facial muscles to help to contour the face. And then it also has electroporation, which is going to help to penetrate products deeper into the skin. So this multifunctional device essentially brings spa quality treatments right into your home, which we all love, saving you time and money on salon visits. And it costs all of that. And I'm going to show you a picture. This is a big and large device. This is not a handheld, so I want to make that very clear, but this is $459, and I do have a discount, I think, of $40 off. And I also want to give you a little bit of information on when you purchase this device, you're purchasing it through Surebeauty, okay? And they are a trusted provider of premium beauty products and equipment for spa, salon, as well as home use. The products have safety measures in place. So while a lot of the products are particularly not FDA cleared, however, the technology that they use is FDA cleared for home use, so in spa quality use. So I just want to make sure. They have over 10 years of experience, and they ship to not only America, but Canada, Europe, Japan, and Australia. I really want to go a little bit deeper into technology, especially the radio frequency, but let's talk about the 30K cavitation. So the 30K cavitation on this machine, and if you compare it to the other Surebeauty device that I use, that was actually 40K. So the higher power, the lower number means more higher power. Okay, so it creates ultrasonic waves that form tiny bubbles around fat cells, which then implode and break down the fat. This makes it easier for your body to process and eliminate these cells. And then the radio frequency on this device delivers thermal energy deep into the skin tissue, stimulating collagen and production and tightening skin. It works on the principle of controlled heat to improve skin elasticity. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the megahertz of this device. If you've been following me for any length of time, you know that radio frequency is my #1 technology at keeping the skin looking youthful. I've been using it for over 4 years now, and I continue using it. I do not do any in-office procedures. Everything has been done at home. But I want to talk a little bit about the megahertz on this device when we're talking about radio frequency technology. So the Airistorm uses 5 megahertz of radio frequency. So research shows that radio frequency penetration depth is inversely related to frequency. So lower frequencies, 1 megahertz, penetrate deeper into the tissues, while higher frequencies, like 5 megahertz, work more on superficial layers. So does that mean that 5 megahertz is not going to be as effective? Not necessarily. The 5 megahertz frequency used in this device is ideal for targeting the dermis, where collagen production occurs without affecting deeper structures. However, the depth of penetration can also be modified by electrode design, power settings, and you're going to see, like I said, this is a 40 watt, and the treatment duration. So all of those factors allow you to control for customized treatments. And I'm going to talk about that in just a minute too, because that's pretty cool about this device as well. So when we're comparing this device to an in-office radio frequency treatment, let's talk about Thermage. Thermage is a very popular in-office radio frequency treatment that cost anywhere from $800 to $1,000 per treatment. And usually you need a couple of them, I think, to get where you want, maybe 2 or 3. And then you get them, I think, touch-ups maybe every 3 or 4 years. But the Thermage in-office, you know, huge price tag. Salon in-office device is 330 watts. Okay, and the megahertz is about 6.73 megahertz. So I'm not sure if they are able to change the megahertz. I'm assuming that they are, based on the thickness of the skin. That's just, I don't know. It's just kind of, if it's salon quality, what I'm assuming. So when we're comparing like 1 megahertz with a 10 watt device, which is the NEWA radio frequency, that's what I used over 4.5 years ago. You're looking at, it's more like a slow treatment for your collagen. It's gentle, it's controlled deep heating, process designed for safe and effective long-term firming. Okay, when you're talking about the 5 megahertz, 40 watt device in the Airistorm, it's like high heat treatment. It's fast, it's intense, and more superficial process that give you quicker results, but requires much more care to avoid burning or irritating the skin. And I will attest to that. It definitely does. You need to be very careful on this setting. There are 10 intensity levels on the radio frequency, and all of actually the modes, there are 10 intensities, and that's something you have to be very mindful of. I also want to talk about the vacuum suction, which is going to increase blood circulation while physically manipulating the tissue, and it's also going to help to move lymph. So the radio frequency in this device is paired with suction, and you can change the frequency of the suction. So you can have a pretty intense suction, or you could have it very low where you're not really feeling it. And the EMS, which is the electromuscle stimulation, it sends small electrical pulses to stimulate facial muscles, essentially giving them a workout to improve tone and firmness. And then the electroporation, it creates temporary microchannels in the skin to enhance the absorption of skincare products. I really like to use more of a water-based product when I'm working with the EMS/EL electroporation mode, which I'll talk about in just a minute, how to use this device. Now, I want to be very clear, when I use this device, I've been using it now for probably about, when this video goes up, it's probably going to be about 7 weeks now, and I am only using the facial part. I'm not using the body as of yet. The body, you guys, the body treatments are tough for me. I can spend a lot of time here on the face and the neck, but doing the whole body, it's time consuming. Okay, like if you're working on the abs for this, I think it's a total of 15 minutes. That's not so bad, but the legs and the arms, I think, is a total of 20 minutes. 2 times a week. So you play around with that. I will definitely share the 40K gravitational device by Surebeauty that I bought over a year ago. Actually, they sent it to me. I did not buy it. This one is sent to me. Also, I want to be clear, but I will post that video because I was consistent during the summer working on my arms with the 40K, where I use the radiofrequency and the cavitation to help melt the fat. And I do think that you see improvement. So the reason I'm referencing that video is because if you are, interested in knowing more about the body part, I think that you could take a look at that. It definitely shows changes for sure. And this is going to be more high powered. So I think you're going to get faster, quicker results. So that's what I can tell you about that. If you want me to do a whole really deep, like how to use this device, let me know, because it is a little bit more complex than any handheld device. But I'm going to quickly kind of share with you how to use the facial radiofrequency mode as well as the EMS mode. Okay, so there are actually two modes. When you power this bad boy on, you've got home and then you've got specialized. The specialized is going to be where you can manipulate a lot of the different functions and features of the device. And the home mode is just everything is pre-programmed. You're ready to go. I suggest playing around with that. Okay, so for the face tightening, if we're talking about the face and the neck, and if you were to do the radiofrequency paired with the EMS EL mode, you're probably talking about 20 minutes total. You're going to want to clean your face thoroughly, apply a gel evenly. I love using the Medicube gel. I've got a ton of these. This works absolutely brilliantly. When I'm using the radiofrequency and suction, this is what I use. Okay. And then you are going to do upward motions. All right. And you are definitely going to want, this is really, really clear. You're going to want to do the under eye area at a much lower intensity. I say keep this under 4 or 5. Okay. For intensity. For the cheek and jowl area, I like to do a 6 or a 7. And then you can work your way up from there. I also like to do about a 6 or a 7 on the forehead. And on the neck, I like to do about a 6 or a 7 as well. All right. So what you can do is you're just going on upward directions. It's very easy. It's very simple. There is a timer on the device that is going to let you know how much time you have left, and then it will automatically stop. So then I will go ahead and switch over to the EMS and EL mode for an additional 10 minutes, and I wipe off my gel. Face is completely clean, and then I go on with the medicine. I love this. I've done a whole video. You can check that out. But this is their plasma serum, and I want to penetrate this deeper into the skin. So that is what I'm using, and sometime I will also use a copper peptide. I will use this one, but it's more, this is by Allies of Skin. I love this. But what I like to penetrate deeper into the skin is vitamin C, or those products that are going to brighten the skin, like the 16% azelaic acid by Medicube. This is also a great one. So let me talk to you about how I use the EMS mode. I like to use a higher intensity on this area, and especially on the jaw area and the cheek area. I really like to get that up there pretty high because of the mere fact that that's going to stimulate those muscles. And once I get these serums on, then what I like to do is have the Avene thermal water on hand, because if it starts to get a little bit dry, I just spray my water to reactivate, because you'll also notice that once it's more wet with like a water or a serum, you're going to feel the EMS a lot more intense. And once it starts drying down, it doesn't have anything to conduct with. So just kind of keep that in mind. But I like to get as high as I can. I think right now I'm at a 7 on this area. And then I definitely use a very light, we're talking 1 or 2 on the eye area here for the EMS, and maybe only about a 3 here and a 3 here, because I don't want that to be so intense. These areas need more relaxing rather than contracting, okay? So that's kind of my mindset on there, but I love the EL part of this to also penetrate the product deeper into the skin on these particular areas. So after you're done, then you can then apply a sheet mask, which is what I love to do. The Numbuzin is something I've been using. The Bio NAD Plus, I've talked about that on my channel. It's absolutely gorgeous because radiofrequency can actually be really drying on the face. So getting a facial mask, if you can, would be great. And I usually leave it on about 15 to 20 minutes. And then after that, just finish with my regular skincare products. So it's easy peasy. I like to do this in the evening because it is pretty lengthy. And if you are new to radiofrequency, then I suggest doing this about 2 times a week is really all you're going to need for the first couple of months. And then after that, you could probably go down to even once every other week. So just kind of keep that in mind, or once a week, you know, depending on your needs. Okay. So if you want more detailed on, you know, how to use the device, please let me know in the comments section. I'm not going to be sharing with you how to use the body treatment. What is really nice is that after you get the device, they are going to email you the manual as well as some videos. So that's always really helpful as well. And I always say when you are looking to, you know, tighten the facial skin, always give it a good 60 days. You're going to be seeing some subtle changes. 90 days is really like where you're going to be like, wow, I'm really liking this. And then 6 months is just like, holy cow, I'm loving radiofrequency. And you're just, yeah, you're going to love it. So here are some safety considerations to keep in mind as well. If you're thinking about purchasing this device. And when you're talking about the intensity levels, always start in a lower intensity level, and then you're going to gradually increase to where it's comfortable. So you do not ever want to burn yourself with this device. So the probes need to be moving consistently, and always keep that in mind, because I'm telling you, a level 10 on this device is like ouchie, ouchie. It is ouch. Which is why I only use it about a 6 or 7 on the radiofrequency part on this particular area. So just kind of keep that in mind. And I'm going to tell you that I am absolutely loving the immediate effects of this device. But especially even just using the hydration mask after, like, I feel like I don't get any redness is what I'm saying. I'm not sure if it's because of that 5 megahertz, but if I do get a little bit of redness, which is very rare, but if I do, it goes down very quickly. But I just feel like after this treatment of the radiofrequency suction, as well as the EMS EL, my face just is plump. It's juicy. It's hydrated. I'm absolutely loving this device. So the thing about this device, and the major con about this device, is that it's big, it's bulky. This is definitely not a handheld device. Who I recommend this device for is someone who is very much like me and loves beauty devices. If you love options, if you love kind of playing around with different intensity levels, if you love to spend some time on your face, if you have a place for this, you know, if you are really a beauty device junkie, like, I think that this is going to be who this device is for. This is not going to be anyone that wants quick and simple. This is not that device. It's big, it's bulky. You need a place to sit it for sure. And there is a little bit of a learning curve. And if that's not something you're willing to get yourself into, then this is not going to be the device for you. Okay. So I want to clarify that. So it's definitely going to be for the beauty device junkie like me. Let me know if you have any questions on this device, or if you've tried it, and if you do use cavitation at home for body melting fat as well. And if you want a full, complete dive on how to use this device, let me know and I can do a video on that as well. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.